In the digital currency market, we see effective fixes to numerous issues. A few ventures have carried out since Satoshi Nakamoto delivered his most memorable paper on Bitcoin 10 years prior. Also, presently, there are a few crypto projects devoted to giving answers for true issues reasonably and proficiently. One such task is Coti, currency of the Internet, which offers novel arrangements proficiently and astonishingly. Coti tackles the difficulties by presenting an imaginative base layer convention as a non-cyclic chart-based record, worked from exchanges associated through time, utilizing cutting-edge trust-based calculations. Computerized monetary forms like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others have a first-mover's advantage, expanding reception rate and market revenue. Interestingly, different purposes incorporate production network the board to decentralized and undeniable clinical well-being record support. In any case, direct blockchain-based cryptos have low exchange throughput, and with additional diggers attempting to find the answer for their POW systems, the expenses pushed higher for the mining system while being challenging to make do. Likewise, a few things, for example, question goal are for the most part not existent in the digital money markets. The actual innovation is intended to work inside a system that should be fail-proof and great. This implies that digital currencies are challenging to take on for mass crowds regardless of whether they offer extraordinary administrations. Coti, which represents currency of the Internet, is another cryptographic money project that expects to accomplish high exchange throughput and lower exchange expenses while being easy to use, simple to work and make do. Coti Bunch offers a decentralized framework for the administrations that clients and dealers anticipate from an installment stage with answers for issues like debate goal. Coti utilizes DAG or directed acyclic graph of clusters rather than the customary blockchain. While the thought isn't precisely one of a kind or new, the presentation support it offers has benefits that make it appealing for countless clients. The DAG-based cryptos are generally planned for low exchanges expenses, however big quantities of exchanges among machines like IoT gadgets. Coti crypto is planned and designed to do ordinary exchanges among shippers and buyers. Hence the new calculations were acquainted with drive the formation of the bunch and the endorsement pace of exchanges. Another new measurement called the trust score is relegated to a client in view of their verifiable way of behaving. This additionally oversees the endorsement of the client's exchanges inside the biological system, organization, and the quantity of charges that happen. Coti technical analysis. We have utilized accumulation, distribution marker with candles diagram designs for the specialized examination and Coti cost investigation. Different markers utilized here are the 50-day moving normal, Bollinger Groups, relative strength indicator and fib retracement. How about we start with the best crypto gauge for the Coti coin? The start of the last year noticed a fast vertical development in the cost of Coti. After a reliable Coti cost increment from keep going January to April on high volume, the value began to lose its energy. It framed a head-shoulder design in the period among March and May 2021. Before May 2021, we can see that the accumulation, distribution marker was consistently framing an improving line, showing that the market was vigorously putting resources into the crypto. At present, this pointer is appearing lower pattern. In April, the Coti cost contacted its 50-day basic moving normal interestingly after its upswing. For 2 or 3 weeks, the Coti cost battled close to the 50-day moving normal before it broke in May 2021 and began to downtrend. In mid-July 2021, the Coti cost started to quit slacking and steadily expanded on low unpredictability with low volume contrasted with the start of the year. The Coti has kept up with its upturn from mid-July to the furthest limit of October 2021. As of now, there is a cost rise saw in the Coti cost and it could show positive pattern for the time being. The ongoing cost is $0.2983. The above outline showed the time and Coti cost examination when the unpredictability spiked in mid-February. The RSI made an overbought signal when the Coti value began to climb on high volume. This sign isn't erroneous, as the RSI doesn't function admirably with outlines. Brokers typically work under the suspicion that market patterns are 30% of the time. So the development didn't stop, However, the instability expanded. The RSI began to lose its energy for the next few months. In the long stretch of July 2021, RSI made an oversold signal on low unpredictability. It would have been worthwhile if one somehow happened to purchase at such a period, as the Coti value began to take off not long after the sign was made. Once more, the unpredictability expanded, and in no less than about a month, the RSI made an overbought signal in the period of August 2021. From that point forward, the RSI hasn't made any sign, and the ongoing instability is still excessively high. Yet, the help levels of the Coti cost could be laid out during these times, and when that occurs, it will be a ready and open door for merchants to trade out the benefits. Coti Price Prediction 2022. Coti has been performing perfect for the beyond couple of days. The cost rise is obvious when contrasted with its end worth of 2021. The figure recommends that the market cost of Coti is supposed to arrive at least cost of 37 cents during the current year. The most noteworthy Coti cost is supposed to reach 43 cents, and the typical cost is anticipated to be 40 cents according to our Coti estimate. Coti Price Prediction 2023. The base cost and most extreme cost of Coti token are supposed to reach 40 cents and 48 cents, separately. The typical exchanging cost is supposed to vary around 44 cents for the year 2023 according to our Coti cost expectation. Coti Price Prediction 2024. According to the Coti cost estimate for 2024, the base exchanging cost for the year 2024 is anticipated to be 37 cents. In a similar period, the typical exchanging cost might be 45 cents, and the most extreme cost of Coti will be 53 cents. The volume plays a noticeable part and effect on the cost of Coti. Coti Price Prediction 2025. Coti token cost might hit a base worth and greatest worth of 52 cents and 66 cents, individually, for the year 2025. As per the gauge, the typical Coti cost all through this year might be 60 cents. Assuming that you put resources into Coti at a less expensive worth, the drawn-out conjecture proposes that the speculation will end up being productive. Coti Price Prediction 2026. There may be a slight rectification in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. For the year 2026, the normal cost of Coti coin is anticipated to be 53 cents, as per the Specialized Investigation and Coti Cost Gauge. The base cost will be 48 cents, and the most exorbitant cost will be 58 cents for Coti for the year 2026.